Yes, good morning, dear students. Now, yesterday I explained you one problem. Today I am taking some more problems in the topic, that is to find a quadratic polynomial when the sum and the product of the zeros are given. So you see this one more problem. It is alpha plus beta is root 2 and alpha into beta is 1 upon 3. And I told you yesterday this is the formula, that is k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. So here also we put the value x square, then bracket x and then bracket. In the first bracket we will write the value of alpha plus beta, and that is minus 2. In the second bracket we write the value of alpha into beta, that is 1 by 3. So in the next step, x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Now as I told you that one part is in the fraction, so we write upon 1 and upon 1 and we take the LCM. So the LCM is 3. Now you see the next part. The first thing is 3x square, the second is 3 root 2x and the last is 1. So what is the quadratic polynomial? The quadratic polynomial is 1 upon 3, 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So this is the polynomial part for this particular sum. So in this way, I have explained you one more sum, that how to find the value of a quadratic polynomial when alpha plus beta and alpha into beta is given. See, in this correction, I am explaining you one more sum to make your ideas more strong. Say, the problem is, please see this now. I hope you all can answer this one. Even alpha plus beta is 0 and alpha into beta is root 5. Then how to proceed? So look here now. It is k, again x square minus and then again bracket. Now what will be the value of alpha plus beta? It is written here 0. So we write here 0. What is the value of alpha into beta? It is written here minus, it is root 5. So we write root 5. So what is the next part? X square minus 0x plus root 5. So what is the value of a here? What is the value of k indirectly? It is 1. Now if I compare this with ax square plus bx plus c, then what is the value of a? It is 1. What is the value of b? It is 0. Minus 0 or plus 0, it is 0 only. And what is the value of c? It is root 5. So in this way, now in this problem I am telling you, even you can check your answer also. You know what is alpha into beta, alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a, so it will be 0. What is alpha into beta? C upon a, so 5 upon root 5 upon 1, it is root 5. So in this way, when you get your answer, even you can check your answer also for this. And it can be written in this form also. 0x, this part I am doing, and now x square plus root 5. So this answer is also correct, this answer is also correct, and here I told you the value of ABC, and even we can check your answer also, check our answers also by the formula alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c upon a. So this type of problems are also important for the examination point of view. As I told you that the exercise 2.3 and the last part, that is optional exercise, is also removed from our syllabi. That's why this part is very, very important. Now, just for trying, I am taking one more sum in this category. Please see this now to make your idea more strong. And this time when I am writing this, and if you are watching, you will automatically able to write the answer. Say alpha plus beta is 1 and this is minus 1. So in this, what will be the answer? It is k x square minus 1x plus minus 1. See this. So the answer is k x square minus x minus 1. So what is the value of k here? The value of k is 1. So even if you don't write also, it is okay. So this is the value of the quadratic polynomial. It is x square minus x minus 1. This minus is because of the formula, and this minus is because alpha into beta is minus 1. So in this way, I will explain you a lot of sums particularly for this particular category. So you can practice these type of sums, and I'll tell you that these type of sums are very important from examination point of view.